Welcome back, my lovely YouTubers. Keep watching if you would like to see how we created this beautiful grass wall. Also, make sure you watch part 2 of this video where I will be showing you how I decorated the wall. Here I have a package of grass that just came in from Amazon. It was a 6-pack. This is all green. I wanted the yellow, the green and yellow, like this one, but I don't know, I just couldn't find it after. So I'm just gonna make it work. Yes, I did get this from Amazon. At first I was gonna do the 6-pack, which is this right here. I was just gonna do 6, but I realized that I wanna cover the entire wall. So I decided to get 6 more so I can have 12. And here, here I have the little flowers and the grapevines that I'm gonna use to make the wall. And then I have the zip ties to connect the grass together because it has these little loops. I don't know if y'all can see, but it has these little loops right here. And you connect them with these zip ties. Also, I have a glue gun and I have a wall stapler. And this is my sign. It's all bubble wrapped right now. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna let you guys see the outcome. And let's get to it. So I'm going to remove this TV off the wall because that's the wall we're going to need. Now I'm going to use these zip ties to connect these grass tiles together, like so. It's pretty easy from here. You know, you just put the long part through the little hole and you pull it through and it's going to make this noise and it's just gonna click into place. It's really easy. As you can see here, I connected 2 tiles. Now we're gonna continue and add the 3rd tile. Okay, so what I also realized is that they have these little things where you could just clip it on. See? So it's like a little thing. And then you take the loop, well this, and then you just clip it on there. So just, I hope you guys can see. Wait. Okay, so I'm just about to clip it on there and it's gonna stay. Okay, boom. So it's actually 2 ways that you can connect the grass. I mean, the zip ties, they're okay, but I don't like that this sticks out. I'm gonna have to try to hide it when I put it up. I don't wanna cut it because I don't wanna, I might just cut it though. I might cut it. So it's 2 ways that you can put the grass together. So I'm doing the green on top, full green on top, and I'm doing the green and yellow in the middle, and then more green on the bottom. So y'all gonna see. Okay, now it seems like when I clip it, it doesn't align, you know. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I think I'm just gonna end up using the zip ties altogether because the clip is like so far, and when you clip it, you know, you see there's like a gap and it doesn't look good, you know. And then there's no room to clip the other side. Yeah, there's no room for it. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the zip ties, and I think it's gonna come out pretty bomb. So the green and yellow grass came with different zip ties. They're a little thinner. Focus. They're a little thinner. I like these better. These right here seems a little amateur, but it seems like this one's getting the job done. It doesn't really show like that, and I can cut them. So let's continue. So this is what I got. Like I said, I was gonna put the green grass on the top and the bottom, and the yellow in the middle. It looks decent to me. We're gonna see how it looks when we put it on the wall, but so far so good. Okay, so I took the TV down, so now I have a plain wall. It was a hassle to get that TV down, but I got it down. Now we're gonna put up the wall and we're gonna see what happens, how it looks and everything. So I'm just grabbing my wall stapler. I had to grab my chair too because I'm a little short and I had to get up there some way, somehow. So yeah. So I'm using my wall stapler and I'm stapling it nice and flat to the wall. At first I was going to do them horizontal. I was gonna have 4 tiles going down and 3 going sideways, but due to the fact that I was alone and I didn't have any help, I couldn't really do it horizontally. So I just decided to do them vertically, and it came out just as good. So I'm just gonna show you here how I put up the wall. Part 2 of this video will show me actually putting up the sign. I did get this sign from Weon Lights. The link will be in the description down below, so you guys can check them out. But I'm just gonna show you the grass on this one, and then part 2 of the video, I'll show you how I put up the sign and the flowers. So here, I know I look like a headless chicken, but I was kind of confused on how to put the sign on the wall. I actually had to get some help, so I had to do it another day. So like I said, Make sure you watch part 2 of this video, and I'll see you guys then.